Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now, I'm back on here today because I have another entry in my tag giveaway. And this one is from Judy Verber. And she lives in South Australia. And I've heard and had things from Judy before. And I think this is really nice paper. She got, oh dear, look at the mushroom. No point in covering that over. It's on me. Look at the mushroom. Oh, look at the sticker. Oh, I love that. She made me an envelope just for this. Thank you. Oh, sorry, Judy. Thank you very much. Oh, I hope that's all right. That's okay. Let's have a look, eh? Let's have a look at our parcel. And there's an envelope inside that, which is, that's really neat, that. I do love that idea. Thank you very much, Judy. Thank you. And this is pretty, isn't it? It'll do. I like that washi tape. Nice washi tape. Actually, I might use the whole thing again. Oh, here's a little tag. Isn't that nice? I know somebody said they were worried about the size of the tag. Please don't. One lady said she might have to go and remake hers, but don't do that. It's fine. Whatever size you made it, it will be fine. So she's wrapped it up in some bubble wrap, and she's made... It's got nothing on there, but I've already swung everything around in front of you anyway, so look at this. You've got tags inside this pocket. Oh, look. Gee, that's nice. Oh dear, I like that paper. I'll just stick that over there for me to write down the names from the people, and it's got little flowers on it. I'm just going to pull them apart, Judy. Is that all right? Pulling the wrong thing there, Sonia. Okay, so they've got a little... Oh, look at the dangle that she put on for me. Oh, look at this. Look at the dangle. Isn't this pretty? Oh, wow. There's another tag. And on here, it's got her information. And I'll just move myself back over here a minute and just have a bit of a peep. I don't think there's anything I need. 4 years she's been on here, she said. That she found me through Jeanette's channel, which is My Cottage Craft, 4 years ago. And she hasn't got a YouTube channel. Yeah, you don't comment, but you do message me. Yes, we do talk occasionally on Facebook, I think. I think I've talked to you on Facebook. Yeah. I think I have, Judy. I don't remember, sorry. No, I like this little thing is hanging off here. Isn't that nice? And there's another tag. Isn't that beautiful? Gee, I love that pictures on there. Those pictures are really, really nice. Thank you so much for them, Judy. They are awesome. And I'm going to show you now, because I've got to get started on this. We can't be mucking about. Oh, look at that. Another one of them stickers. I do love them stickers. So Judy knows where to get stickers. And this one here, I didn't show you that one. That's not very good. There's another one of them stickers on there. Look. Aren't they natty? Oh, dear, they're nice. Thank you very much. I do love this. Absolutely love that. Thank you so much. And the way that you've put these little things on there. Now, there's something that I haven't seen before. Or if I did, I was looking straight past it. Oh, look at those little things there that you've got on. Isn't that nice? Thank you very much, Judy. I do love that. I really do. And your presentation is amazing, darling. Oh, look, there's another sticker. This must have been... There's a little... It's been pressed on there. What was... Oh, this little fella. No, that wasn't in that. What come off there, I wonder? Might have been something in the mail. Or maybe that was this little dangle, but something was pushed into there. I hope I haven't broken anything. Okay, so Judy, we're going to put your name down here now as number 3. Okay, so we can put all this back together. And now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these, because other people have done this, and I hope that I don't be, hope nobody is upset by me copying you. But I think a lot of people do them because it's, you know, just how it is. I got this, and I'm putting them in here, okay? And each one of these can be the thing I use to put your tags and that in. Okay, hopefully I can make it pretty by covering over what we don't want and I can take some out if it gets too full. Alright, now I've got another one here, but it's a bit small. It might be a bit too small. So I think I'm going to use this one. I do. I'll see. I think I might use this one because I'm going to cover it. And, where's this other thing here? I was just going to put a plain cover on this one. It hasn't got anything in it, see? And that's the reason why I didn't use this, because it's empty. But I guess I could put those things that are there into there, couldn't I? No, they're too big, aren't they? They're not, these holes are not in the right place. Is that right? I don't think I can get that in there, because this has got 3. No, you can't do that. It's going to end up... Sonia, what are you thinking? Well, look, there's hardly any difference in the size, is there? So I can use that for something else, because I need it to... And I'm thinking about putting this on here to cover it with, because I just want to. And then I can put just tags in there. So now I've got 3 pages to make, so I had better get myself a wriggle on. Although I've got another parcel here too, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to come back on here because I really like to do everybody's parcel separate. It just, I don't know, it just helps a lot, I think, with the person. And, you know, you put the things together so they see their own things. Now, I put them up there, the other ones I got, so I put these ones with it. And then I can start working on them, can't I? Right, mouthful of water, and hang on, I'll better go. I'll let you go and I'll be back in